Well, in case you don't know, Phynofino is one of the biggest names you can ever think of from the eastern part of Nigeria, doing the Igbo rap and the Igbo songs back to back. And yesterday was the playmaker, the GOAT himself, his birthday party, and it went down leaks Inside Pablo by Cubana in Lagos, Nigeria. And that's the video I'll be bringing to you here. A whole lot of dignitaries were available all through the night. I'm talking of the likes of Jowizaza, talking of the likes of legendary marketer and manager of all time, no other person but Jude Okoye. Well, it will be surprising to you guys that this whole Phino birthday party actually started from Jude Okoye's house before they took out the party to Pablo, Nigeria. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Wish Phino a happy birthday in the comment section. Well, whenever you see Jowizaza in the picture, then you know everything is about to go down, and it's going down with SS doing. Everything went down so beautiful last night at Pablo, Nigeria, and Jude Okoye was there. Nobody knew Phino is this close to Jude Okoye. And yes, I think if you really want to last in the Nigerian entertainment industry, you should know people like Jude Okoye, like the best manager in the whole of P Square. You can never compare anybody so far as the success of P Square is concerned. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment in the comment section. See you guys on my next video.